Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we will create insightful heat maps to reveal data distributions across two dimensions. Heat maps are excellent for uncovering patterns and correlations within large datasets. They use color intensity to represent the concentration of data points at specific locations. This heat map, for example, shows website traffic by time and day. Darker regions indicate higher traffic, which can be read from the legend here showing number of visitors. To create a heat map, you will need to collect your data and organize it into rows and columns. Then color code your data points based on their values, revealing hotspots of activity or areas of interest. Let's create a similar heat map of the crime data in a given locality for a week. Each data point shows the date and time when a crime like theft or murder took place in the region. We will begin by separating time and day into two separate columns. Next, we will use pivot tables to organize data into rows and columns and compute the count of crime for each cell. To know more about the pivot tables, check out my video link in the description box. Once the pivot table is ready, we will make a copy of this data and format as needed. We will use conditional formatting. You can customize the color schemes and intensity to suit your preference. We will hide the numbers. Format the chart as per your preference. So our heat map is ready. This makes a visualization and interpretation of this data very easy. Similarly, you can add the legend as shown here. Why don't you try and add the legend yourself and let us know about your result. Thanks for watching.